As far as I've been in business for 26 years doing this kind of stuff, this is one of my favorite projects. It's owned by Garden Communities, the same people that own the Minnesota Vikings. We've been doing business with them for 26 years now, and it has been the window coverings, and they've recently invited us to now do the flooring. And that's why I'm so thankful to get hooked up with a company like Urban. They've really helped us out. They've provided us a great project, a great product. And so here we are, 22 stories, 220 units, and we're full tilt bozo on the installation.
How do you like working with this product?
Great. I think it's the best product I've actually witnessed throughout my 5 years that I've been installing. You know, you bang it up a few times and it locks pretty well. It's to me, it's probably the best stuff out there with the Easy Click system on it.
We are currently in San Diego at the corner of Genesee and La Jolla Village Drive. We're at a 23-story high-rise in which Urban has supplied us with the vinyl flooring. You need to have a company that you can work with that can work with the curveballs that constantly get thrown at you. And that's one of the beauties of working with Urban, is because they're equally as focused as I am on the new construction. So it's a marriage that is a win-win.